Hello and welcome to Pre Tech 5, where you'll be introduced to the hospitality industry and all that encompasses. I am Chef Zimmerman and I am one of the chef instructors for Pre Tech 5 program. Pre Tech 5 is for sophomores and is a great way to get introduced to the hospitality industry, which is your cooking, baking, front of the house. And what that can do is help you set you up for Pro Foods 1. In addition, after Pro Foods 1, we have Pro Foods 2. So you could really get an amazing experience here at CTE to set you up for the future of either cooking at home or going into the industry and being that much further ahead of anybody else who doesn't have the experience you would learn here. We start you out at basics and we grow, and you learn and you build on the skills that you have. So, well, we all get nervous doing new things. The great thing here is that everybody starts at the same place. Students learn such fun things as how to make a French omelet, braise a chicken, and how to make foods that you might have seen in a restaurant and eaten in a restaurant but want to make at home. In addition to that, students will make rolls, cookies, cakes, breakfast pastries, anything you can think of baked from scratch. With the other skills you learn here, it'll make you more employable. Don't worry if you haven't cooked before or baked before. That's why you're here, is to learn, do, and eat.